Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our breaking news. Every Friday we come out and give you the new news and the market update of what's going on in the world. So we're talking about what's happening today as we're winding down. August is coming to a close, and we're telling you what we're seeing in the markets. We're talking about the financial news, media, what's actually happening in the stock market, the bond market, the real estate market, everything that we're actually involved in, and bringing it to you in real time so that way you're aware of what's actually happening. So this week, interest rates, mortgage interest rates continue to edge higher, guys. I told you the beginning of August was the best time to actually lock in. Rates are starting to creep up. One of the biggest fears and concerns right now is inflation could be on the rise. We could be seeing inflation for the first time ever. That means that the cost of your food, the cost of everything rises. Interest rates rise. The dollar is getting killed. The dollar is going lower and lower and lower. Gold prices are going higher and higher and higher. And what's happened is that the bond prices are starting to go down, which means that interest rates go up. We shot a video on that last week. You can watch that of how interest rates work. Check out that video. It's very powerful. But if you're looking to get a mortgage loan, I highly recommend that you lock in, because interest rates, remember, the national average for a mortgage rate is around 5%. So we're still very low below that, but they have edged up higher. So lock in your mortgage rate. You can call us at 832-431-6331. Also, I'm pleased to announce we just released a 2-year program for 1099 people. If you're 1099 self-employed, you can actually use your 1099s now to be able to qualify to get a home loan. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. Check out my video on that too. It's really powerful. You just need 1099s and you can get a home loan. It's really, really cool. So, a few other things that we've seen that are very interesting. You saw that Tesla, they copied Apple and have also announced a stock split, and Tesla is trading at all-time highs. Tesla, it's insane. I mean, Elon Musk's net worth has gone through the roof. I mean, he's richer than Warren Buffett now. I mean, the stock is almost going to hit $2,000 a share. I mean, it blows my mind. I mean, it's crazy. They should just do a video and educate people. I can't believe people are dumb enough to be able to buy stock that just because it splits, they think that they own more shares and that they're wealthier. It doesn't work like that, okay? It's the same company. The market cap is the same. Nothing changes just because the stock is cheaper. Guys, do not buy. I'm telling you, unless you might want to prove me wrong, but there's no advantage to splitting the stock like you think that you own more shares and that you're going to make more money. It doesn't work like that. The market cap of the company is the same. It's not worth any more or any less. Okay, yes, you can afford it now, because if you're a trader or you're an investor, you can probably buy the stock and it goes down to $500 a share or $300 a share versus $1,800. But the company is not worth anymore, and the fact that it went up 20% just because they announced a stock split it's insane. It's crazy. So anyway, now that obviously pushed up the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is trading at all-time highs. And it's very scary to me, because if you think about it, I mean, we're still, if you look outside in the world, we're not recovered. The world's not going back to the way it was. And the reason why the market's at all-time highs, there's a huge disconnect in the stock market and the world economy, okay? And I think that there's going to be, at some point in the future, there's going to be a correction in the markets. I don't know when that's going to be, but I do expect something soon. Obviously, we've talked about there's new products in the private money market. New no documentation loans are out. So if you're trying to get funding for no documentation, those loan programs are super hot right now. We have our jumbo loan program. You can get a jumbo loan with no PMI with only 5% down, guys. You only have to put 5% down and no PMI. You get a jumbo loan in most parts of the country, $800,000 all the way up to $1 million. You get FHA multifamily up to 4 units with only 3.5% down. These are new programs that are about. You don't have to put 20% down for an FHA loan. A VA loan, you can get up to a 4-family with 0 down. In some parts of the country, over to $1.2 million with no money down and get 100% financing. On the political side, you see now we have a great running mate, Mrs. Kamala Harris. She is joining Joe Biden. President Trump, that's winding down. We're going to see. We don't know who the new president. We may be able to keep Donald Trump as the president, or it could be Joe Biden. I'd like to know what you think and what your opinion is. I'd like to have you comment down below. Who are you voting for? Let us know down below in the chat box. Are you voting for Trump? Are you voting for Biden? What do you think how the world's going to change if we have a new president? What's going to happen? I mean, will socialism take over? That's a question that a lot of people ask. what would it look like? Will we become, a Russia or a Venezuela? I mean, these are what people, I'm not saying that's what people say. So it's interesting topics. There's a lot of stuff going on with all I don't get involved too much on the political side. I stay more on the business side and try to stay focused on that. But I know it's an important thing a lot of people talk about. But those are the main things that I'm seeing. Obviously, the other thing that's also really important, you see that FICO score 10 is coming out. That's a huge topic. New credit score monitoring, the Vantage score is actually going away. FICO score 10 is coming out. So that's the biggest news I'm seeing for this week in August. If we can help with any of your real estate funding needs, please call our office. You can reach us at 832-431-6331 or click on the link below to get signed up to get pre-approved for funding with Angelo Christian. If you have any questions, call our office. We're open 7 days a week. We're where the world goes for funding. If you're trying to get a mortgage loan, commercial loan, for residential, we go down to a $200,000 loan. For commercial, we go down to $500,000 loans. Remember, we lend nationwide. We've been doing this for 2 decades. We have one of the highest scores on Google. Check out our Google reviews. You can call our office or text us at 832-431-6331. We have hundreds of videos, I think over 600 videos on our YouTube channel to educate you and empower you on mortgages, real estate topics, anything that we can do for you. So click on any of the links below to Real Estate University. Anything that we can do for you, reach out to us. We want to help to add value to your life. See you next time and check out my next video, guys. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.